Okay, so now let's do the first example that was in the PowerPoint. So we've got our given dose again is the total dose or prescribed dose divided by the percentage depth dose. So the example says we've got 6,000 centigrade per minute delivered in 30 fractions in two parallel opposed fields. So first it's asking what is the percentage depth dose of the tumor is going to be question 1. Question 2 is going to be what is the given dose of field 1? And then question 3 is what is the total composite dose, given dose, total composite given dose. Okay, so it gives us, well, for the first one, we're going to do to find the percentage depth dose. First of all, we have to find it per fraction per field. So we've got 6,000 centigrade in 30 fractions. So that's going to be, 200 centigrade per fraction. But then we're going to divide it by 2 because there's 2 fields. So that is, we have 100 centigrade per fraction per field. Okay, so now that we have that, we can put that over our percentage depth dose. So 100 centigrade over our percentage depth dose. And to find the percentage depth dose, we have to use this chart. So we want to know what's coming from field 1. So field 1, you can kind of see these like going like that. They go this way. And you can see that our tumor right here rests in the 70 range. So that is the 70% depth dose. So that solid line coming from there. So that's going to be our percent depth dose for field 1. Now we could also do field 2, which it doesn't ask for, but if you wanted to like just understand it. So field 2 is coming from this way. Okay, so it's going to be these. So like this is 90, 80, 70. So this one, like 60 is cradling the tumor for field 2. Okay, so that would be 0.60 for that one. But it just asks us for field 1. So we're going to do 100 centigrade divided by 70. And then this is going to equal 143 centigrade. Okay, so that's your answer for the percent depth dose is 0.70 because it asked for field 1. And then the given dose of field 1 is going to be 143 centigrade. So now then, to find the total composite dose of both of these fields, we're going to add our total fractions per dose. So that's going to be, with both fields together, it's going to be 200 centigrade per fraction. This is both included. And then we're going to add the 70% and the 60%. And that's going to be 1.3 is our percent depth dose. So then you divide that. So 200 centigrade divided by 1.3, and that's going to be 154 centigrade, which is going to be our total given dose, total composite given dose.